In the 21st century, Chinese foundry companies expanded rapidly. The first five-year plan ran from 1953 to 1957. Railways, bridge factories. Foundry enterprises have become a pillar industry in the local area. The foundry is built around 156 star line projects. Western development, cast iron. With the help of the Soviet Union, a new group of key machine manufacturing enterprises has been established. Dry water basin mold for operation, the German spectrometer, precision machines, working machine, electrical equipment, large check machines, traffic equipment, medium-sized electrical equipment, positive pressure equipment, etc. Large hardware in Poland, zinc and aluminum alloy products, communication equipment in Hungary, agricultural machinery, diesel trains, cars, medicines, oil and drilling equipment in Romania. From 1956 to 1958. Great steel making. Our grandparents lived on unimpeded roads. They were defenseless, difficult and tortuous, under extremely difficult conditions of development. The working environment is noisy at night. Physical exertion is high, such as wet soil, briquettes, ink. The research, development, and application of cast iron have made remarkable achievements. But these foundries produce cast steel and steel that build railways, skyscrapers, and machinery across the country for many working families. A foundry is more than just a factory. It's the economic hub of the region. Big and complete, small and complete. It affects the development of foundry enterprises to a certain extent. The blacksmith has a fat head and big ears, silly big black roof. Quality awareness and competition awareness are weak. And that's it for today. See you next time.